So, if you want to write an essay utilizing ChatGPT and to do it responsibly, the best way you can do it is to follow this outline that we have right here, going by each step and each prompt, and then inputting it directly into ChatGPT and rebuilding it yourself, and making sure that everything aligns with what you're building and it is completely plagiarism-free, and to make sure that it is written in your own words. However, ChatGPT can help you outline it perfectly. So to begin, step 1, understand the assignment. So AI can't guess your teacher's expectations, so we're going to give it a prompt to basically explain what the assignment is, and we can go to the next step. So step 1, use AI for research and brainstorming. We can ask it to basically help us in searching for a thesis statement or ideas for our outline. We don't need the example. We'll continue. So that's step 2. Step 3, create an outline with AI assistance. So we can ask it to help us design our paragraph structure and to customize it for our own settings. And step 4, drafting your own words. We know not to copy paste. And we can basically ask it to verify for plagiarism and to provide sources. So let's go ahead and paste what we got here. So to begin, I am writing a 2,500-word essay on a mental health condition. I can choose which one, and my teacher wants me to explain how a proper diagnosis is given and provide a fake case study example. So that gives us the context, and then we can say, can you explain this topic in simple terms? We're asking it to help us. And can you help me generate a thesis statement, ideas, or outlines? And it'll help us create our paper just using that. Please suggest paragraph structure. It'll help us with the paragraph structure. And we can say, we'll go ahead and say, please provide sources, and make sure to avoid plagiarism. Then finally we go to the last step. I believe it's the last, step 6, the last step. Review with human judgment, proofread manually. So you're going to want to go over it regardless, just to make sure, but we'll see what it gives us by just entering the prompt of what we had earlier. So sure, here's a full breakdown to help you write a strong, plagiarism-free 2,500-word essay on a mental health condition. So you'll see, pick a mental health condition, and we can see which ones they offer. For instance, let's say we want to go with schizophrenia. We can select that and put it in. So we're going to do schizophrenia. And you can scroll down, simple explanation of GAD. So we can say schizophrenia, help me outline it. So we can say essay outline, thesis statement, ideas. So it's giving us concepts on how we can pick our thesis. This essay, for instance, when they're referencing generalized anxiety disorder, this essay explores generalized anxiety disorder, examining how it is diagnosed through criteria, and just giving your thesis on the disorder itself. Has essay outline. It'll give us exactly how we should write it, but we're not doing GAD in this case. We're going to be doing schizophrenia, sources used for citation, and gives us perfect citations. And to avoid plagiarism, always rewrite in your own words. Very important. And use tools like Grammarly, turn it in to check for plagiarism. This one is very important, especially when using ChatGPT, to make sure that there isn't any plagiarism, because sometimes, even if you're using it, it might miss certain things, so always use that. And Grammarly is just great for grammar, but you can always just re-input it into ChatGPT to help you clear up your grammar, and citing direct statistics, yada yada. When you can go ahead and we pick schizophrenia, help me outline it, they're going to pick it, and then they'll give us the same outline specifically, and basically, you'll be writing your paper as is, but it'll give you the perfect direction how to utilize ChatGPT to do this. It'll help you with your thesis generation, exactly what you should be writing, and you can ask it even for sources of where I should be looking for information. So that's basically it. That's how you can write a essay utilizing ChatGPT or any AI for that matter in a responsible manner to avoid being caught with plagiarism or anything like that. So as you can see here, the sources that you can utilize here on schizophrenia. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.